Now it's time for the final step, which is to seal the grout. And some people ask, do you really need to seal grout? And I would say, yes, you do, because grout is porous and it absorbs moisture. When I was cleaning this, you could see all of these grout lines get dark, and that's how you know that you need to seal it. Once we seal it, we'll do a test with water. I did one before, and the grout line darkened up right away. So the goal is to seal it, and when you do the water test, that grout line should maintain the original grout color, and that way you'll know that the water isn't getting to it and it is sealed. Let's check to see how good of a job this is doing. If we look at the grout line right here, what should happen now is this should not change color and the water should kind of bead up off the tile. Kind of like that. So this is telling me that it's working.